love how I open up like that. Yo. Yo, what's good, YouTube? About to unbox the kit that we got out here. Yeah, so I got 2 new luggages, some other stuff right here. So we'll just get into this first and then we'll finish the rest. So first we got this Oakley bag. It's like packable, so eventually I guess it can like fold up a certain way or something like that. But so first we got 3 or 4 Oakleys with the bag. I'm not really a glasses person, but oh yeah, you see though. Yeah, I don't do stuff like that. Ain't me. But this fire though. Okay. Different. My dad like an Oakley person, so he'll most likely be receiving all these. Okay. We're getting a little more advanced. Getting a little fancy with these. These gotta be like some stunner shades or something. Let's see. Yep. A little fancy. Alright. Number 3. Going crazy with the glasses. Okay. Now I might get into them. I might get into these right here. Y'all might see me at the track in them. Last but not least, a little smaller box. These straight too. I'm not really with like the colors and all that. I don't know. Last, I don't do all that. So that's that. We're gonna move on to the Samsung bag. First, bottle in there. New Galaxy Buds Pro. Got the case for 'em. New Galaxy phone. Galaxy S21. And then the rest of this is like, I guess how to set the phone up and all that. I didn't expect to get a new phone, honestly. I already got 2 phones, so. This is kind of like a wellness bag. This is like a towel. I think my roommate, he has his hung up, if I'm not mistaken. Oh no, this is what he has hung up. And you got the, I guess it's double-sided. You can go, you know, however you want to do it. This, got a nice little keychain. Some wipes. A little thermometer. Some more wipes, hand sanitizer, and then some actual like foam soap or something. Now we're gonna get on to the good stuff that all y'all came here for. First up, that's that. Right. Okay. USA colors. Self laces. Lock the laces in and all that. These heat. And then you got the clear toe box area. These low-key fire. Interesting shoe, but still fire. Alright. Nice little box. Vapor Max. USA colors. I'm not sure if these are dropped like in actual stores. I don't know if they dropped in actual stores. Yeah, I don't know if it's just like a team thing, but we'll see. Pretty sure y'all know what these are. Some slides. These heat for sure, so I would definitely be wearing these around the village. right, now we on to the Polo Kit. You know, got the big USA on the side. And yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna get all this home, but let's get right into it. I had to try all this on too eventually. Alright, let's get right into it. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Nah, that's tough right there. Okay. They were saying we can kind of like exchange some stuff, so, but I think I should be good. I ain't gonna lie too. I'm gonna be here all day. Another polo. So, I don't know when I'm gonna wear all of this, you know, unless they got us dressing up every day. Damn, this is comfortable right here. That's hella comfortable. Okay. Now I see it why everybody was wearing this. Wearing all these pieces of room. I done packed all these clothes coming in here for nothing. Tough. Yo, these is nuts. Nah, these might be my favorite. Get the. Oh yeah, and then this the jacket to go with. It's so light. Nah, they outdid this. This one more like a dry fit polo compared to the other ones. Kind of just lay on your body better. Little hat, USA 20. I guess it's, yeah, supposed to be 2020. Another one, Team USA. These most likely will go to my dad. Some little shades. Lanyard, so this is like the lanyards you put behind your head for the glasses. Nice little case. These smooth. Another one my dad will probably wear. Them heat. They on the phone. Okay. Alright. Not digging the color. Smooth little polo. Then I guess this is kind of like what it came with. Nice little hoodie. Fanny pack. Tough. Little Letterman type of feel. Boom. Bucket hat. Got like a handful more stuff. Just match the bucket hat. Okay. I mess with the tie-dye on here. Be a little tight, but y'all see this pile? This fire. Nah, this fire. I just like the tie-dye on it, really. Okay. It's crazy. There's some shorts. I rock with them. Got a little tote bag. That's tough. Last but not least, I don't know if it's a towel or a blanket. I ain't gonna open it all the way because I gotta fold it back, but I'll get it. Alright, now on to the last kit. You got your little bag tag right there. That thing fire. And you got the back of it. Different stuff like that, man. Little details. But USA luggage. So let's get right into it. Oh. Quick glance, basically what you're getting. But let's get right into it. Oh my God, bro, that's heat in there. Okay, got a little KT tape. Never go wrong with that. I don't know what that is. So we're just not saying anything. Order instructions. Something about a ring or something. Hamilton 2-year international warranty. I'm not sure what that is. Okay, got a folder. Y'all can go ahead and read that. Might pause it for y'all. Go ahead and read that. And they give you that as well. They tell you basically what you wear there. This is for the metal stand, and this is for the media. So, just so you know what we're supposed to be wearing. Okay. So this is, I guess, check your ring size. See whatever, you know, sizing you need. I guess if you want like an Olympic ring or something, you able to contact them, and then they'll go ahead and get you right with that. This is from USADA, which is like the drug testing company that we have. Congratulations letter. We'll probably pause it if you. That's what that is. Maybe just telling you about testing. They gave us a mask. And another bag tag, which is pretty cool. Then it comes with a pin on the inside as well. USADA being nice. So we love to see. We love to see it, USADA. All them 5 a.m. drug tests and all that. Glad to see y'all have a heart. Yo. Gun was in the pocket. I love how it opened up like that. Yo. Okay. Mask. I think this is black. Black man. Oh no, this is the white one that they gave us. I wasn't gonna open it, but I'll open it for y'all. That's fire. Inside of it. That's tough right there. Oh. Okay. Big you know. That's dope. Let me see if they got a price tag. Okay. Well, that's official then. Okay, Hamilton. This bag is nuts though. And I think with this you able to like fold. I think you're able to fold this down, so if you want it to be all the way flat, or you can keep this divider up. I'm not sure. It's always up to you. This is like, it's like rubber, kinda. Rubber material. Windbreaker. I received like 2 of these a couple weeks ago. That one and the red one. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. Okay, these sweats match that what's the name right there? I think it's already tailored to me. I know I love the shorts. I don't think them gonna be in stores. I don't know about that one. Material now is fire. We was just talking about this. Now we getting into some like practice stuff. You know, a couple practice tees. I like this one for sure. Give me somebody with these on in the elevator. Tell me them not fire. If you get the details, you can kind of see it say like United all the way through, and it kind of makes like a star on the shorts. That's tough. Okay, top 3 favorite hoodies in the kit. The color's fire, and the back goes straight. Instead of going straight across, they went straight down with it. Another USA tee. Nike on the tag. Y'all see the tag? Nike on the tag, official. You see the trash flowing up. Another t-shirt. Nice long sleeve. Man. Okay, now we get into some sweats. These heat right here. They light but like thick too. Okay. Shorts. Okay. Regular Nike short. Oh, they actually got USA on the brim up here. Sweats to go with one of them hoodies. This is outrageous. Oh man. Alright, these might be a little too long. I don't wear shorts to the knees. One more. And these are some head of drawers. Nice grades. Alright, so as you can see, we got a whole official. It's official. Let me take this off. Metal stand gear. The sweats is in the inside. Sweats is in the inside. With the thing on. Another mask. Same white one. Them the podium shoes. I was just gonna say like, I need some shoes to wear with them. You can see the inside. Inside look like, I don't even know like how to explain that, but they look nuts. These is tough though. Once again, I don't know too, because I know y'all gonna ask. I don't know if they're gonna come out in stores. I don't think so. If they do, it's probably not gonna come out till like the fall or sometime next year. But yeah, it's the metal stand stuff. That's about it. This is the trash. And yeah, hope y'all enjoyed. Appreciate y'all rocking with your boy.